This one's a medium SAT geometry problem. A circle with radius 5 has center -8, 6. What's the equation of the circle? And all the answer choices are just potential equations of the circle. Bad news to start here, guys. Evil Testing Service does not give you the circle formula in the formulas box. And more bad news, it's kind of a hairy looking, ugly looking formula. That's all the bad news. The good news is the formula is actually not very hard to deal with. You do kind of need to memorize the concepts of the formula. And I always start by writing it because I've got it memorized. But really, there's not a lot going on here. What would you say is the easiest part of this formula? Is it this nasty looking business here? Is it this nasty looking business here? Or is it just r squared? Most people know that r, you should know that r is the radius and that r squared is the radius squared. Okay, so what's r? R is 5. So what's r squared? R squared is 25. So if you just know that r squared is on the right side of this nasty looking formula, you know that r squared in this case is 25, you can write down the answer choices and you can cross off anything that doesn't have r squared as 25. So what can you cross out? Well, C has 5 and so does D. So if all you know is that r squared is on the right side of this formula, you can get it down to a 50-50 shot. The x minus h and y minus k part is really easy. All you do is x minus whatever the x component of the center is. So in this case, it's -8. And then this part is just y minus whatever the y component is of the center. Which of these is easier to deal with? X minus -8 or y minus 6? It's y minus 6. That's the easiest part to deal with. So the right answer has to have y minus 6 in it. Which of these answer choices has y minus 6 in it? It's B. A has y plus 6. For the record, this is x plus 8 because minus minus is plus, but you didn't even have to get there. The answer is B. And that's it.